Hey, nice stop there, Explorer. Hey, Mazda, do you need to be that close? There's somebody there, too. Also, this person doesn't seem to know where the lane is. Oh, and you're turning right. Yeah, that's great. Is that an extension cord in the middle of the street? I'm pretty sure it was. Oh, here we go. Student driver. Yep. Oh, interesting. You teach him the speed, huh? Because I'm doing like 47 right now, and they are gaining distance. Yeah, don't even bother with the brakes. Hey, nice stopping. Man, you really don't know how to stop here, do you? So, hey. Oh, you're going over there, but still, that's a little close there. Good stopping. That's also a stop sign. Well, then the Honda doesn't stop, and then the Subaru doesn't stop. Chevy didn't stop. And newer Impala didn't stop. That is a stop sign. Did it really take it that long to figure out? Yep, I think so. Yeah, there's people there. Hello?
Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Hey, think, McFly, think.
Because Toyota. Hey, that's a stop sign. Still a stop sign for you too. You too. You don't need to be that close even when it's not snowing or raining or anything. I saw that lane change. Did you have a green light? I'm not sure if you did. That was a pointless lane change. Come on, dum-dum, speed up. Speed up. Now that cut off. Come on, we're on the freeway. We're going under 50 now. Doing barely 45. Come on, move. On the pilot. Why don't you do yourself some common sense there? Another person who doesn't know how to speed up. Alright, and the wipers work. Yay! Was that a red blow? I think it might have been. Okay, that's not how the right turn works. Hey, illegal U-turn. Maybe the camera caught that. Or left turn even. I actually kind of like this view of the interchange. You did not have to cut me off like that. So what was the point of cutting me off then? Stop sign, minivan. Forward from the left, that's a stop sign. That's a stop sign. That's a stop sign. Over there, buddy. There we go. Hey Jeep, that's a stop sign. I don't think you stopped there. Well, the box truck definitely didn't stop. You stopped by these two, especially the Volkswagen. You don't need to be that close there, Chrysler minivan. Red light still means stop. Last I checked. Oh boy.
It takes inspiration. It requires a university with a national reputation and more than 130 years of preparing students to succeed. Marquette University. Be inspired with graduate programs that help you find a
Okay, are you going to turn off your blinker at some point?
Our courses are on campus and online.
The blinker's still going. Hey, there we go. Hey, nice step there, pickup. That was a little close. Somebody needs a wash. And the Chevy in front of me didn't stop. That was a cutoff. I don't blame you for slowing down even more than usual. But you kinda gotta stop. Nice stopping, dum-dum. Nice stop in there, Honda. Can I stand on your side of the road? And yeah, not really. Nope. Make sure this person is turning. They are, so here we go. And that wasn't a stop on that one. That'll do it. Yeah, drive in the slush, that makes sense.
Which brings us to the Idiot of the Week.
Lovely.